So I've received a question. How do you reset one password master password? And I want to share you some insight in how this works so that I can answer this specific question. So if you're looking for how to reset a master password in one password, this video is going to explain how it works and what you can do. So to do that, so first let's just do a quick Google search before I show you the steps right inside 1Password. So if you head over to Google and say and look up this question, how do you reset master password, 1Password? You will find some instruction directly here from Gemini that basically said that you need a emergency kit or a recovery code. And there is no direct way possible to, let's say, reset this master password, right? So you just need to ensure that you're using a recovery kit, which you can easily download or use a recovery code. And I'm going to show you how you can do it. Otherwise, if you're not, for example, admin, you will be able to ask a member or team member or someone or admin to actually reset your account for you or change your password or something like that, right? So all of this, I'm going to show you how you can quickly find it. And so if you're new to 1Password or you're not in that position right now where you need the recovery or the master password, then I'm going to show you how you can find this so that you can use it at a later point in time. So once you're in the admin console or if you're in the extension of 1Password, you can easily go ahead and access your account. So you want to click on the extension, go to your 1Password account, click open and fill. It's going to open up right for you and you can easily log right into the admin console of 1Password. And once you're in the admin console, you can easily go ahead and click your account on upper right and click on manage account. From here, you'll find your account details and you can see on the right hand side your account. You can find your security key. So this is important for you as well to keep, or you can find a recovery code right here where you can easily go ahead and you can just, let's say, save it. Now, you're not able to like quickly view full details of the recovery code, but the recovery code is also part of your emergency kit. So you can always go ahead and click on save emergency kit. You click on save emergency kit, you click on download, and you will download a copy of this PDF of the emergency kit. This is going to allow you to sign in, and this is basically with your security key that you can always go ahead and let's say, keep, right? And this is it, guys. You can always use this to, let's say, sign into your account. Now, how do you go ahead and get, for example, the recovery code? You can easily go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and delete mine right here. And from here, I'm going to generate a new one. So here, once you do have recovery code, you can easily go ahead and click on setup recovery code right here. Then click on accept or confirm you understand, generate the recovery code. And from here, you can have the recovery code and you can save it or you can just move on to next. Then once you get that recovery code from the file, you will be able to enter it right here. So I'm going to find that file that I just downloaded. And you can see that that file contains a security key. So you want to copy that and just paste the recovery code right here. Click and confirm and finish, and you will have it saved and stored. And you need this key in case you have any problems of signing in case you forget your password. It's going to be important for you to use this at a later point in time so that you can log in into your account. This is your master password if you're looking for something. And this is what you'll need to use to log into your 1Password just in case you forget your password. And that's it, guys.